Hi, I'm Sarah with WTI. My husband is a grillin' man. He will grill everything that you can grill and some things that you probably shouldn't. So his grills get pretty messy, and that's why we are thrilled with this stainless steel grill brush kit from Gourmet Easy. It doesn't matter how messy his grill gets. This grill brush cleaning kit is no match for his mess. He's had gooey baked on barbecue sauce, crispy chicken pieces, and sticky stuff that's just nasty, and it all comes off with ease. The wire brush is well made and the bristles stay on the brush so you don't worry about the stray wires coming off and getting into your food. The padded sponge is fire resistant and has a built-in scraper. We were very impressed with how strong and durable everything is made. It has an interchangeable handle, and with one click you can change the brush into the padded scrub brush. We also love that we could use the padded sponge to clean off our Blackstone griddle and then simply throw everything into the dishwasher. So if you're ready to easily clean your messy grill with a durable and reliable grill brush cleaning kit that will last you for years to come, then I highly recommend this cleaning kit from Gourmet Easy. And that's my point of view.